Oh, which one?
36.
We just like elevators.
These are fast.
They are.
Very, very fast.
6th floor.
You have a good one.
Going up.
It's the elevator here at the Marriott Magnificent Mile in Chicago. And we got some former Westies that were modernized by Otis with Adams fixtures.
6th floor.
These are fast.
Very. I wonder how fast they are.
Going down.
I'm gonna say 1200 to 1400. And I'll get a cab view once we hit the express zone.
Kind of a little light in here, but I mean, it is still kind of nice.
Get a cab view now.
Awesome.
These are really nice, and there's Alex there. These definitely get another ride for sure.
Going up.
Same, I'd say 1200.
Yeah, it's still pretty quick. I mean, it's
6th
not exactly slow.
going down.
And you can see we got Westinghouse interlocks on these. You know what I say? I say let's send this... Well, actually, we'll do one more ride on this and we'll transfer on the top for the third ride because I don't know if... I don't think these are carded, but just in case. I love the sound of the pre-start too. You can definitely tell these are 411s for sure.
Lobby.
All right.
Going up.
That one there is sitting on peak up. These things are a lot of fun. Send this one down. Those lanterns. Look at the lantern on that one. I'm going to get a few still photos of these. And there's Alex standing right there. Here's a look at one of the guest floors. And look at that vintage stairs sign there, look at that. I believe this hotel was built in either the 60s or 70s.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Let's head back down. Yeah, and these are definitely the high-rises. Service elevators are located on the other side of the hotel, but I can sadly confirm those are also modded. But these are still cool. This was definitely a 90s, maybe early 2000s mod, so it's still, like, tasteful, relatively. And we got the one right next to the one we got off of. Ooh, nice leveling.
Going down.
Alright, let's be quiet and listen to this incredible startup. Stopping on
30. Going down.
It's now close to 9 p.m., so it is checkout time.
Going down.
Lobby?
9 a.m. you mean?
Yeah, I meant 9 a.m. Silly me. I can't speak English sometimes.
Ooh. Nice and fast.
Lobby.
And here we are. And that is some nice leveling, too. And there it goes. And that one's just sitting on peak up. And that'll be it.